Need an affordable solution to advertise real estate on television? It's here. RealestateTVAds.com gives you everything you need to advertise your home listings or services on television in a way that is simple and inexpensive. And best of all, there are no setup or design fees for basic service. Getting started is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Choose your advertising plan, starting at only $99 and 2 weeks of airtime for a listing. Or you can advertise just yourself and your services. 2. Pay and get ready to start selling. 3. Upload as many as 5 photos for a listing. Send us your headshot, your logos, and script. Then our professionals will put together your advertisement and get it on the air. No home site visit necessary. Just send us what you already have. Reach up to 2.5 million homes in 5 Southern California counties, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now is the time to start advertising your real estate listings and services on television, and it's easier than you think to get started today with RealestateTVAds.com.